Hi everyone, so today I have a sponsored video for you guys from Tonic Studios for their new stamp club. It is the You're One in a Melon. Super sweet, as you can see, just adorable. So this is now available there on Tonic's site, and they did send these items free of charge for my review, and of course all opinions are my own, and any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. So thank you for using those if and when you can. So again, I get samples, and as you see, one was, in the wrapper, the other one was not, but generally arrive like this on a carrier with the pocket protector that you can just add into your binder if you like, or at least, have them nice and neat together. It is, so it is a photopolymer stamp set, really nice size, and as you can see, just the cute, look at the little ice cube. Notice that. So we have all these different kind of fruits. You have your pear and lemons and like apples, avocado, which is really fun and different, little cherries, slices, glasses, if you want to dress them with little glasses. There's like leaves and flowers. Oh, how cute. I didn't realize the little leaves and flowers. Some like little plaques to stamp on, thank you very much, or hope your day is peachy, thanks a melon, things like that. Have a great day, you're one in a melon. And those also have dies for them, which is really cool because I'm so sorry, I was gonna say it's really cool because I always like having like these kind of like banner or like plaque dies or label dies for sentiments. So we have these different shapes here, and again, even these little guys like that one and this shape have dies for them. And look at the little berries, and oh my gosh, because you have a little fruit bowl too that you can put all the little blueberries in there, or however you like, little speckles to make your fruit, maybe a little pear has a little browning on there, however. The straw to go with the little mason kind of drinking cup. It looks like a mason jar. How cute is that? An umbrella, a bent straw. There's just so much going on here. The watermelon slice, little like lime or something, little sprig. Those are all so sweet. I love the little glasses. That is so cute. And then the dies to coordinate with them. So literally everything has like a die for it. Yeah, even the smallest like ice cube, the little leaves. We have the words, some extra words that are not over there. We have like hugs. Oh, that's so cute with the background piece. So it cuts out individual letters, and you have a background piece if you want to do it, or put them together, and then this cuts out of the larger area, and then you can back it with another just background piece. We have the word hello. That's all put together with a background die for it. We have fruitiful, which again are individual letters. You can die cut them in, inlay them, or just cut them out and then pop them on top of this background piece. Super cute. Oh, how cute. Look at the little bowl. It has like an extra detail. Oh my gosh. That would be a really cute shaker. So you have that background piece, for the background of it, for the acetate. Cut this little guy out, frame a couple times, and you have like a little shaker area. So cute. Anyhow, so then here we have like the apple, and again it has an inlay, so you can use it like a whole apple, or like it looks like a sliced apple, or same thing with the pear. The avocado here, so cute. Big leaves. Oh, I would say big leaves. That it looks like a leaf shape. That's the lemon. Yeah, and everything else. So just really cute, really sweet. Little glasses here. So let me grab some papers, card bases, and all that fun stuff, and we will get started. I think I'm gonna work with the little peach. Like, how cute is that? And then there's a well, it looks like an apple or whatever fruit you might want it to be, but I'm gonna make it a peach, and then it has like hope your day is peachy, so we'll try that out. The little faces I totally forgot to mention. We're gonna make glasses and all that kind of fun stuff. So just to get started, I have a standard A2 size card, so again 8.5 by 5.5 scored at 4 1/4. And I have this gorgeous piece of lime cardstock. It's just really bright. I thought it'd be really fun to just make it super bright with all the fruit and things. I like that kind of look. I'm gonna take a little bit of lime burst, and I'm gonna put some kind of like in the center, just grounding our little guy. And again, these are very similar colors. I don't know if I said that, but I don't know, a lot of times to say again when I hadn't said it the first time. But I'm just trying to make like a little spot of something different, and I'm also going to run this through an embossing folder just to give us some texture and some fun. So I think that looks pretty good, and I'm just going to run this through any embossing folder that gives me, any kind of texture. I'm thinking maybe like a dotty one. I always like the look of dotty things. It's fun. And I'll be right back. So I got a little interest on there, and yeah, we'll do it that way. I'm go ahead and glue that down. So just a little texture with some dotting, and that little kind of green in the background. splatters of like black color or black watercolor. Looks really, really fun with florals and fruits, I think. So we'll have that. And then, you know, if you really want to, you can just stamp on colored paper and then cut out your images and they'll be ready to go. I am going to use this white paper, which I'm hoping is the kind that you can, it's marker paper. I think it is. And I'm going to use black shadow, sorry. Pardon my reach there. Again, photopolymer stamp set, smells amazing. Just kind of get that little tacky dispersion layer off of it. It has like a little stickiness sometimes. And I'm going to put a face on this, although we're going to do the sunglasses too, so I'm probably going to end up covering up the little eyeballs. So what I'm going to do is, let's say the sunglasses or the glasses are here. I'm going to kind of eyeball where I would want to put the face. Kind of like right in towards the middle in here somewhere. Oh my goodness. Cute little face, and that way the little glasses are kind of like down here, kind of low. Oh my gosh, how adorable is that going to be? Okay, and so I'm going to let that set up, and then as far as the glasses are concerned, I'm going to stamp them on yellow paper, and then I'm going to color in the lenses so that they're sunglasses. So I got that. Another fun thing to do with sunglasses or something that's shiny is after you stamp and do whatever you're going to do, if you're going to color and all that, you can run it through with a piece of packaging tape over the top. I'm going to do that again. And then your little sunglasses will be shiny. Or you can use glaze. What am I doing? I'm missing something here. I missed one part earlier. I missed another part the next time. There we go. All right. So I'm gonna let those set up because because hybrid inks need to dry before they are alcohol ink proof. It says alcohol ink proof once dry. I don't know if you also need to let them dry for water-based products, but I'm assuming we need to just let it dry. So I'm gonna let those dry for a couple minutes. I already have my colors chosen for what I was going to use for the different colors here, and then we'll address our little greeting, our little sentiment later. But for right now, just gonna let these guys dry, and I'll be right back. I stamped another little peach just to have a couple of them fill out our card a little bit more, even though it's gonna be kind of like a sweet little note card. And so I did pick out some colors that I believe to be very peachy. So I have apricot blush, pink grapefruit, and fruit punch, and that's what I'm gonna color my little peach with. But for right now, I do have this black smoke to just color in our lenses, and then we'll do a little more detail. So I'm just gonna come in here, and this is not marker paper, so I'm going to just come around those edges and let that feather out because I'm sure it's gonna feather. And so I'm just kind of right around the inside of that edge, but not quite there, just in case. And then we'll do a little more detail in a second. It's super cute. And then with this guy, generally I start with the light color, then go back to a darker color, and then medium, and then light again. So I'm going to color most of this in something like that. I would have normally left an area in the center without any color, but I did not do that. So go to the darkest one. Oopsie. I'll do the same thing with the other guy. Just a little something. I'm not going to do too much with that one. And then go in with the medium kind of color. And then back again through, and I'm going to use the other side with this guy. Hope you see what I'm doing there. Just bring that in, and I'm probably just going to leave the very center left alone again. Something like that. I might get a little more peachy color over here. And then I'll just simply add a little bit of brown in for the stem. And how about some little pink cheeks? Which one of these is more pinky? This guy. And maybe a little pink there for some little cheeks. And that is that, and I'll color this other one same, but without like the face, obviously, and I'll be right back. Guys, look at these little sweeties. Oh my gosh, so cute. And let's see, we have our Glasses. Oh my goodness. And then the little guy here. And that is super easy just to see through, so I will just put that on there and tape it down and run both of these, or all three of these items through, and I'll be right back. So let's get this off of here. Super cute. And again, we're going to cover up the little eyeballs. I like the little cheeks sticking out from under that. It's so cute. And then we'll have this guy kind of in the background. And I'm going to glue them down, but if you want to pop them up, you know, definitely dimensional. Great. Let's see. So cute. And maybe a little more down right there. And then I do have a little white gel pen here. Hopefully it's ready. And I'm just going to put like a little detail on the glasses. Which is literally just a little line kind of following the contour, a little dot. So we have those guys. And I think I want to stamp this a little. Hope your day is peachy. I'm just going to stamp this simply on some paper. I don't know if it's going to be white. Maybe just white, just to bring that crisp color back. So I'll just stamp this on some white paper and we'll cut it out with the one of the shapes here. I'll be right back. Kind of letting that dry, the stamping. I just simply hand stamped it, but we do have the stamp and then the die for the shapes, you know. They like this guy. Oh, this one sticks to the magnets. That guy, or this guy. I think I'm gonna go with this shape, and we have the little guy here. So we could have stamped that first, and you know, stamp the sentiment inside of it, or however. Either way, I can see right through here pretty well, and I think that's pretty straight there. Maybe like that. And let's bring back some of that lime color. So I'm just going to use that same lime I used earlier for the inking in the background, and it'll just add a pop of color. I might have to do it a couple times because it's a very light color. Aw, how cute. This. I hope your day is peachy. Cute. And then I'll just, line that up and tape it down and go ahead and run that through. So we have our little characters, and hope your day is peachy. Right there, how sweet is that? And let me play around with this a little bit and see exactly where it is that I want to pop them in there. Maybe they're there, maybe that's here on its own, huh? Or you know, maybe we can put like a little belly band or something just to bring this out. So let me cut a black strip of paper. If this is about an inch, maybe like 3/8 of an inch by the 4 1/8, and I'll be right back. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. And of course you can add texture to that too if you would like. I just have a strip, again, just a little bit smaller than 1/2 inch by 4 1/8. And I'm just going to go ahead and just pop this down flat also. And I'm going to put it on there like a little buckle. You can pop it up. Do a little jaunty angle, you know, we like that too. And let me get some dimensionals on the back of our other little buddy, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I put some very kind of low profile dimension on these guys, or on this guy. And just pop them right there. How sweet and cute and just fun and bright. Thank you so much, Tonic, for sponsoring this video, for sending these items for review. I'll have images coming up. I'll have the links in the description box, guys, and I'll see you all at the next one. Bye now.